So this is windshield install, 81 Toyota. I've never done this before. Watched some how-to videos. They said to get some cord. I don't know if I got too small a cord. But this is my first attempt at installing a windshield old school style. We'll see how it goes. We're going to start on the bottom in the middle and put the cord in this groove here and kind of overlap them. So I'll show you that here in a sec. Alright, next step. We got the windshield roughly sitting in place. And so we're going to try this. I have no clue. Never done this before. I'm going to make sure that I got it centered. It looks like it. Then what I'll have is I'm going to have help, and wherever I'm pulling on these strings in there, I'm going to have help pushing it all the way around. We'll go a little bit on this side, we'll go a little bit the other way, then try to get the corners in and just sort of work both sides around. So let's give this a try. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you a little quick action. Not very much, because I'm also holding at the top of the windshield pressing down, so I need both hands. But basically, this is all I'm doing. This bottom part's already kind of in there, but it's working quite slick. That corner over there we've already got down in. Now we're gonna work this one over, but I need two hands, so guys, you can see this cord I'm using. It's not that big. It does have to be strong because you really do pull on it. So literally, I'll go a ways. I read a lot of comments where people had a lot of trouble with this, and then see, I just, as I go, push it up and make sure that I'm up tight all the way around, and pull down. They say parallel with the glass. I don't quite go parallel, but, and then just work it up and shoot. That little bit is hard. Let me get in here. Okay, don't press on it yet, because this little bit don't want to go. Oh, that's why you go parallel, I guess. Bam. And I just work it up. And it really is that simple. This took us, what, less than a minute? Less than a minute, guys. And the windshield is in. Less than a minute. Toyota got new windshield. This windshield was hard to find. It is a brand new windshield, as you can tell by the stickers, but it was 200 bucks. So there she be, brand new windshield. I'm gonna work on getting the skylight, moonroof, whatever you prefer to call it. I'm painting all those bits. I don't have a gasket, so I'm gonna just kind of put it in place for now. And voila, beautiful. And I gotta clean all these windows off, get all the gaskets and crap in. That's it on how to install